Hi everyone, my name is Taylor Darwin and I am your instructor for this course. This is 1314 College Algebra and it is asynchronous, meaning we don't have meeting times. You'll learn the material on your own at your own pace as long as you follow the deadlines. And so the purpose of this video really is just to give you an overview of the course and to hopefully answer any questions that you may have and to just get you more familiar with our Canvas page because you'll be spending a lot of time on here. I'm going to make this video as brief as I can to give you the most amount of information possible, but also letting you explore the course on your own after this video. So to start out, here's our Canvas course. This is our home page. I just put this little Google slide here and I update it every week and I say, hey, don't forget to do this homework. Don't forget that this is due this week. This is just like a quick little glimpse of what we're going to be doing. In addition to that, you found the welcome video. You can select this image to go to our course orientation page or this to go to the weekly modules. This is really just a quick help, kind of some information of what the tabs do on the left-hand side, which I'll also explain. The course navigation goes more into detail into what each of these tabs do. Here are resources offered to you by Nctc and some other links that you can explore if you want to. I do suggest you take some time to really go through our Canvas course, but like I said, this is just kind of an overview, scratching the surface, if you will. So you can select to get started, or you can go straight to the modules tab and it will take you to that first start here. And so I'm going to collapse these really quick. My goal is to so by week 3, we're going to be taking our first exam. So my goal is to, when you start the content, to have all that content for the exam. You have 3 weeks to learn it, but if you want to knock it out at your own pace, then I want you to be able to do so because it's the summer and you may have ample time on your hands and you may want to complete the material a little faster than the pace that I have suggested, which is totally fine. If you go to the Start Here tab, this is the welcome video that you're currently watching. I'm going to quickly go over the syllabus, just kind of, like I said, scratching the surface. We have condensed it, thankfully. It used to be really long. But this is your math course, and this is summer 3, and thankfully we've got 10 weeks for this summer course. So it's still faster than normal, but it's doable. A 5-week course is really kind of stressful. 10-week is very doable. You still need to make sure that you're managing your time well, but it will seem more like a normal course than the condensed 5-week course. Here's some important things that you need to know. We're using an online homework platform called Mymathlab, and that's where we'll be conducting all the homework. It does cost, and that is the only additional cost of the course. And I can explain that a little bit later. Scientific calculator is the only calculator that you're allowed to use, meaning you are not allowed to use calculators with graphing capabilities, the ones with the y=2. I recommend this type of calculator. It's very easy to use. It's very user-friendly. There are some scientific calculators that my students have purchased, and they're very confusing to use. You can't see what you're doing. It makes it very confusing. And if you want, feel free to reach out to me, and I'll find a link for you. They're Amazon, Target, Walmart, and I think they're about $10 to $12. You don't have to buy the book. When you purchase the online homework, the book comes with it, but we don't really use the book that much. I provide all the notes and resources to you. But anyways, I'll get into that in a little bit. Once again, my name's Taylor Darwin. because this is an asynchronous course, I'm working remotely from home this summer. But if you want to meet with me virtually, I'm happy to do that. And even if you want to meet with me in person, I'm happy to drive to a campus. I'm close to Flower Mound, Denton, and Current. So whatever you need, I'm happy to do. We are required to put office hours. I just threw some office hours out there, and the reason I'm telling you this is because I'm very flexible. And so you can almost ignore these and just tell me when you need to meet, if you need to meet with me, and I will make it work. I'm happy to work around your schedule. Again, you can kind of read more in depth into this. It's just an overview. I do suggest you going and checking out our tutoring center. We have in-person tutoring labs for math, and we also have online, and they're free to students. I can show you how to access the online one in just a second. Here's the breakdown of our course. Homework's 10%, quizzes 10%, exams, which there are 3, are 60, and the final exam is 20. Really, if you think about it, each exam is worth 20% because there are 3 exams in this category. Each exam will only cover, and again, I'll show you this in the, actually, I'm going to go to that right now. Each exam, we go back to modules. If you go to our schedule, you can see what to expect each week. So like for week 1, we're going to be doing these sections. For week 2, we're going to be doing these sections, 2.3, 2.4, 2.5, 2.6, 2.8, all the way up to week 3, and then we test. And the test will cover all of these sections that we've covered. And then we kind of start over with week 4. We start going into quadratics. So test 2 will only cover quadratics, polynomials, and complex numbers. It doesn't encompass everything that we've covered up to that point. It's not cumulative. The only test that is cumulative is the final exam, which covers the entire course up to that point. Another thing about the syllabus is it shows you the homework, and for all the homework that is listed for that week, it's due that Saturday. And so, for example, the first week, you'll be learning 1.1, 1.2, 1.7, 1.8. And so you'll be doing homework over all of these sections due June 11th, because this is a Friday, so it's due Saturday. All my due dates are Saturday for the most part. I don't really check email that much on Saturday, so full disclaimer, if you need help, you're probably not going to get it on Saturday. I just do that because I know people work, and maybe Saturday's the only time you're going to get to do it. Okay, let's see. Another big thing is testing. This is an Nctc department, a math department policy. You do have to test at a testing center. So we have 3 tests in the final. So really 4 times that you're going to have to find a time that works to take the exam at an Nctc testing center. I do have a video that you can look at and how to sign up for the testing center. It's very easy. It's very intuitive. And then here's the Nctc testing center site. The reason this is it just makes the course have a little more integrity. Again, if you take any other 13-14 course online at Nctc, you will be asked to do the same thing. You'll be asked to take it in person. If you're not within driving distance of an Nctc campus, let me know. I will find something near you. There's libraries that usually will do it. Other college campuses will figure it out. Just let me know. This is me. Maybe, yeah, you see me right now on the screen anyways. More importantly, this is my kid. So the only time that I may ever have issues meeting with you is I keep him like 2 days a week. And so I might just have to meet you at night or something like that if you need to meet with me. So again, I'm flexible. Please be flexible with me as well. Mymathlab. So this is our online online homework platform. This is kind of how you can look and sign up this way. Or you can select this tab and sign up, Mymathlab and Mastering, or you can go to our week, and whenever you get to the homework tab, you can sign up. So I'm skipping ahead a little bit. Let me go back. Feel free to read a little bit more into this. This is just really some more information for you. Feel free to explore this. And then for the first week, this is what it's going to look like on your side. I ask that you please fill this survey out before you start working on this. It's not going to get back to me. It's just kind of informative for me and to see how people feel about math before and after the semester. So please answer honestly. I won't see your responses. It's someone else. Okay, so this is what a normal week would look like. We've got our learning objectives, and if I were you, I would definitely go in order. I mean, the order of the content is important. So learning objectives, and then I've got my notes set up. So I will provide notes and videos, and usually keys. And if I don't for some reason, just let me know, because some people don't like learning through videos. They can just kind of look at the keys and figure it out. So you'll look at the notes, watch the videos, and then there's sometimes some optional videos, like I didn't get this one. Well, here's another video over it if you want to look at it. Optional. And then the homework, which I need to add these, sorry. But you'll notice if you haven't signed up for the homework yet, and I try to go to this homework, it's going to say, it's locked. Here, let me show you what it says from my side. Sorry. Okay. I need to get out of student view. I'm sorry. When you open the course, this is what I get for doing things early, right? When you open the course and you try to sign up for the online homework, it's going to look like you may have to adjust your pop-up settings. Pearson is fun. It makes things so fun. Let me allow this. Okay. So, if you've never used Pearson before, you'll have to read all this, right? We read every last word, and then you accept at the bottom, and then you're just going to have to sign up. You'll have to put in your information, create an account if you don't already have it. If you've already had an account through another course, you can sign in through that, and you will have to pay for it. I believe it's $79. I apologize. This is the only thing that we use for the most part. And again, it will be the only cost to you. Once you sign up, if you need a little bit more time to pay for it, there is a 14-day free trial. I'll be happy to show you. But really, just go step through it, and you'll be okay. Make sure you open it through Canvas, because once you do that, you will be able to access the homework through Canvas, which is really nice. So for example, now I'm in week 2. I'm trying to keep this video under 15 minutes. I'm getting really close to that 15-minute mark. Okay. Once you sign up, you will be able to select the homework, and it will show you each of the homeworks, and you can just do it in Canvas. It's pretty cool. If I need to make a video after June 6th, let me know. I'm happy to do so. Just so you know, I know the concepts that are going. I know that the homework's going to do 1.1 linear equations, and I try to best prepare you for that through my videos. However, the online homework also has videos if you want to watch those, if you need any supplemental materials. What I'm trying to say is sometimes they word things differently, and don't get frustrated. Just if you don't understand it, reach out to me. There is screenshots. You can screenshot it to me, send it to me. There's an Ask My Instructor button. Help me with this. I don't get what's going on, and I'm happy to help you. And then there's quizzes each week if you want to take it. So, not want to take it. Sometimes there are quizzes, sometimes there aren't. Um, that is the gist of the course. I'm going to let you explore the rest on your own and let me know if you have any questions. And I'm so excited to work with you this semester.